can make that rain. Often, girl, I do this often. Make that pop, do it how I want.
Welcome back, it's the Greatest Location there, playing some more Minecraft Law Games on the Hive, and we're playing on the map Breeze Island 2. Yes, we are. So, the previous episode, the scares girl was a hacker, which wasn't particularly good. So, yeah, there are like, are those seagulls? Oh, hello, Mr. Chest, I'm gonna go for you. Are those like seagulls or what kind of birds are those? I don't know. So I'm just gonna go for that chest over there, like right there, I guess. My crosshair is on it right now. But hello, Mr. Chest above my head. I'm just gonna pretend to go to spawn, cause yeah. 4, 3. Oh, this is like a head donor match. Never. Like I've been in a head donor match, but not recently. Oh, there's like a parkour to get to this place right here, but I didn't go to it. To the parkour, I mean. So yeah, hopefully we can like win this match. Hopefully, maybe. I doubt it, because I'm not really good at PvP, as you guys should know. Oh wait, is this like? Yep, it is. It is a hacker. It is a hacker. Oh gosh, I hate hackers. Maybe he didn't loot that chest, which I doubt. But I would have gotten another chest if it wasn't for that hacker. Sadly, there are no lives like that that just can't play the game for fun, but just like hack. So yeah. Hacker, what was his name? I'm recording. I forgot his name. Okay, so apparently that is also recording. Let's just put a heart right. Yeah. Okay. Let's just... What's his name? GK9, okay. Hopefully he doesn't die. Oh wait, that's like... Here. There's a chest here. Oh, hello. Hello, Mr. Fishing Rod. You are good for hackers on here. How many subs? I don't know. I just want to know, because maybe he's like a huge YouTuber. Okay, I have 49, I think, or maybe 48 even. But I still love all of you guys. I really love every single one of you. Did you kill the hacker or no? Oh no, he didn't. That makes sense. Because if he did, it would have said man team. What? Oh yeah, the guys are teaming. Because they're from Norwegian places. Norwegian places. They're from... What is it in the Norwegia? No, it's... What? What's the country? God. That's why my geography isn't good. Hello. Oh, hello, Mr. Melon. I would like to chop you up into bits and pieces and eat you. Oh yeah, and the resource pack I'm using is the red pack. I think I said it in the previous episode. If I didn't, there we go, I just said it. Oh, hello, gold sword. So yeah, we just need some better armor. Wait, what's your channel? Because I will go ahead and sub and maybe watch. First, I'm gonna watch some of the videos if the channel is like my style. No! 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 As soon as I was going to ask you here. I wasn't gonna ask you, I can't see you. But you can see me. Oh my god, this is so creepy. You can see me, but I can see you right now. I mean, you can't really see me because my face cam isn't turned on. I don't know why I just did that. I put proper over there. The people are all dying left and right because of the hacker, I think. Probably. And I'm probably gonna verse him in the DM. The deathmatch. The deathmatch. Hopefully we can get like a little bit of better armor. Oh, hello. Let's just first grab you. Yes, we did get some armor, but not really better. But still, thank you. And another stone sword. I can always take that, maybe if I do need it, but yeah. I might get this first try, because I am trying to record this in my first try. So yeah. Wait, what episode is this? 10. Yay, we hit double digits. Lol. Yeah. So yeah, I say yeah a lot, I don't know why. 50 subs is coming really soon, as I did just say right here. I have 49, I think. Maybe 48 if somebody unsubbed, or maybe even 0 if one of you guys unsubbed. But yeah, we're gonna hit the 50, which I'm really excited for, because yeah, it's gonna be like half the way to 100. When we're gonna hit like 100, I'm gonna be so psyched. I'm gonna be so happy. And when we hit 1k, oh, not if, when. I will never say if. Okay, hello. Run down here, so you could leave me alone. Oh! Yep, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm sorry. What? Okay. So I'm just gonna post it. Sorry for like not getting. Wait, when I recorded the hacker bear skin, I think. Okay, but anyways, hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did, leave a like. I'm sorry for like not really going into deathmatch. I just get sick of these hackers because, as you saw, he did have no knockback. As you just saw, he had no knockback. So yeah, 2 hackers, 1 game. 2 hackers, 1 game. Okay, so I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.